to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and I have an absolutely beautiful, hand-picked, fresh into stock Volkswagen Touareg here to show you around today. Firstly, I would like to thank you for taking the time and watching this video. Secondly, I just need to get in there. This is one of my favourite 4x4s personally, and just look at the detailing on this particular model. So having covered just 32,466 miles, this vehicle comes with full Volkswagen service history, and as we walk around the exterior of the car, you will notice it's got the black pack, including the alloy wheels, the roof rails, the roof, the matching spoiler, privacy glass, and it's finished with those absolutely phenomenal carbon fibre exterior door mirrors. The particular variant of this car is the R Line, and it comes with the R Line embroidered interior as well. So we scope around this very well presented vehicle. There it is, with a contrast white stitching, full black leather interior, heated and electric front seats with the 3-stage memory function. There's a virtual cockpit, piano black detailing on the dashboard running all the way into the door cards there. Perfect family vehicle, phenomenal on long journeys, comfort, performance, and then for your family trips or your shopping trips or for business use, it has the electric tailgate as well to make it a lot easier to load the car up. I'd like to thank you very much once again for the inquiry. I hope this video has been of use for you. We look forward to speaking to you soon.